That's how you sign greetings. Polite. So that's how you sign polite. Expression, X, halin sa mata. Kopyahan niyo siya. Again, greetings and polite expressions. So, dahil sinusunod siya. Hi. Very good. Hello. Dami nga hi. Good job. I like your expression and energy lang ka. That's good. Morning. Liwat. Good morning. The same way of signing that. Sige, liwat. Good. FSL. Good morning. Sun rises. Okay, sign exact English. Dua ang dito ya sa inyo. Again. Good noon. Sun in the middle. Good noon. Sign exact English. Sign that way. Okay? Good noon. So, magyapod. FSL. Tandaan nyo ang variation. Good. Good afternoon. Morning ko no open. Then stays in the middle. So good afternoon. That's the traditional way of signing in SEE. Again. Here, unit. Oh, nagsira na din man. Good evening. Hangga. Nanaot na sa nagduko ng adlaw. Good evening. Alright. Good night. Nagsulod dito na ipasulod again. Good night. Alright. Good night. Signing exact English. So good night.